Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI, and today I'm talking about this GearLight headlamp. Now, I'm not wearing it just to be stylish. It really is such a great headlamp for when you're doing some nighttime running, maybe early in the morning hiking, anything that makes you get out of bed early and it's dark. You need this headlamp to make sure that other people see you and you see them, as well as making sure cars see you as well. Now, I recently ran a marathon relay race with a team of 12, and so having these, because we started at the mountain at 2:30 a.m. was crucial. It made me see things in the mountains that I maybe didn't want to see, but it also just kept me safe and not running into other runners and making sure they're not running into me either. Now, it does have a couple different brightnesses, as well as a strobe to really scare away those bears or, deer from getting at you. But it's a really great headlamp, and that's my point of view.